I'm not surprised. I did not believe that Brelo was going to be indicted for manslaughter, but I did expect that he would be held accountable to some level because, as Paul said, getting up on top of that car and shooting those 49 bullets into 2 people is just not right. It's something totally wrong about that. And there was testimony from other officers that indicated that they felt that it was wrong. We're only looking at one side of this story, and that's the police version of the event. I do not believe that Tim and Melissa ever used their car as a weapon. I do not believe that they ever had a gun. It's outside of my brother's character to be a violent person. So all of that the police has drummed up this story about the gun, about using the car as a weapon, that is not true. I know that 100% is not true. They were after them with a vengeance. And once they caught up to them, you heard an officer make a comment, it's cowboy and Indians now. Why would you say that if you don't have malice or intent in your heart to do harm? They knew that night that once they caught up to Tim and Melissa that they were going to let them have it, and that's exactly what happened. There was no pause or warning, put your hands up, get out the car, get on the ground. They didn't offer any of that. They simply got out and started shooting. That's what happened. I am for peace, and I don't want people to be getting involved in burning down buildings or rioting or hurting anybody. He's not just gonna, dodge this. I mean, just because he was acquitted, and if in his heart he knows that he did something wrong that night, if there was malice there, he's got to live with that. And it's not me to judge him. It's up to God. God will have the final say.